He's watching. Oh, there he is. I was gonna say he's watching Chewy. Yeah, we just went up a big hill. So if my breathing, like my Darth Vader breathing, is showing up, that would be why. Chewy has disappeared into the woods. Okay, I don't know if anyone can hear that bird call. Does anyone know what kind of a bird that is? I think it's like West Coast something. I can't remember. Yeah, see, it's too thick for him, so he's just like, okay, I'm just gonna keep over here where it's all paved and I can run fast. Because he doesn't have the long legs that Chewy has. So Chewy can manage through that thick snow, and it's pretty thick. Like my boots, I don't know, how tall are they? Like at least a foot I'd say high, so the snow is at least that much. Good boy. Good boy, Quincy. He's huffing and puffing. He's had a good run. Chewy is there in the bushes. Good boy, Chewy. He's pretty tired too. Like, look at his tongue. It's when their tongue is sideways. Chewy. When their tongue is sticking out sideways, they're pretty tired. They have no control over where it's at. Good boy. Good boy, bud. Good boy, Quincy. Quincy, are you tired? He's like, of course I'm not. I just choose not to chase Chewy right now. It's a choice. Now there's Chewy. Yeah, the reason I bought this phone is of the camera and the video. Like, it can zoom 10 times.